I was gifted these fake bangs by the brand, and as someone who constantly has to get talked out of cutting bangs by my friends, I am so excited to try these. I always go through phases where I really want bangs, but I really don't want to have to style them every day or let my hair grow out when I'm done with them. So having the option to just clip some in when I'm feeling them is going to be so nice. And honestly, right off the bat, I can tell the color looks perfect for my hair. So let's open this up and try them on. All right, so the package comes with a set of instructions, the bangs, and a roller so that you can store them. I'm genuinely so excited about these. So this is what they look like straight out of the package. And here is the roller. This is what they look like out of the package. Like I said, they're literally identical to my hair color, and I am so thrilled about that. The clip in the back just pops open like this. It goes into your hair this way, and then you push it closed. So let's pop it open. Putting them on is super simple. All you have to do is line it up to how long you want them, push it up into your hair, and then push the snap down. And then fan out the bangs however you like, and you are set. And this is what they look like on. That was literally so easy to do. It took seconds, and I feel like I have a whole new look. They match perfectly to my hair, and I love that they have these little pieces that help blend into your hair. So it's not just a straight bang and then long hair. You have the longer bits that help it make the transition. This is what they look like on the top of my head. I will say they are a little long, but they can be cut to your length preference, and your forehead length isn't going to change. So once you cut them, you're not going to need to adjust them again. I don't know. What do we think? Should I cut some bangs? And then taking them off is just as easy. Again, you just pop this open, pull it down, and now you're bang free. And another bonus for those of us that have thinner hair, when you cut bangs, it literally takes the entire front section of your hair to turn into the bangs. So all of this in the front is missing, but with this little hair piece, you still have that fullness in front and the bangs. So it is a win-win. And then when you're ready to store them, you can just add them onto your roller. Then we will pop this top on, and you have a nice condensed way to store the bangs, and they will keep their rounded shape. I love these. I think they are so cute. I'm so excited to add them into my routine. I love how well they match with my hair and how easy they are to put in. Thank you so much to the brand for sending them to me so that I could share them with you.